Hi, my name is Avery Hill, and I'm a second-year law student here at the University of Georgia. One of the things that I find best about the University of Georgia School of Law is the engagement with alumni faculty. Just in the previous few weeks, I've met with dozens of alumni from the school who are always so happy to come back and speak in our classes, come back for lecturing events, and just to talk to students. People at UGA have such a deep connection to the school and to the students, and they're always wanting to come back to the school and give back. And this really shows in the way that we have such deep connections in the Atlanta market with all of the alumni who are so willing to help out the students. One of my favorite memories here at the University of Georgia was working with the First Amendment Clinic. At the clinic, we got to get a lot of hands-on experience with a real case and real clients. And working under the professors who work at the clinic, it was awesome to be able to interact with the clients and be able to see the day-to-day of an attorney working with clients. And that was just a really cool experience that gave me so much more hands-on knowledge than I would get in just traditional classroom.